Ystad is a small town located in the southernmost part of Sweden, known for its well-preserved medieval architecture and picturesque cobblestone streets. It is situated on the Baltic Sea coast, and its history dates back to the 12th century. The town is also famous for being the setting of the popular Swedish crime series The Wallander Mysteries, starring Kenneth Branagh, which has helped to boost tourism in recent years. Some of the must-see sites in Ystad include the medieval town center, which is a designated heritage area, and features several well-preserved medieval buildings such as the St. Maria Church, which dates back to the 13th century, and the Ystad Cultural History Museum, which has an extensive collection of artifacts from the town's history. If you're interested in art, you should also check out the Ystad Art Museum, which has a collection of works by contemporary Swedish artists, as well as temporary exhibitions. Österlen is a region located east of Ystad, known for its beautiful coastline, rolling hills, and fertile farmland. It's a popular destination for visitors looking to explore the outdoors, with plenty of hiking and cycling trails, as well as beaches for swimming and sunbathing. One of the most popular sites in Österlen is the Kivik apple orchard, which is the oldest and largest apple orchard in Sweden. Visitors can take guided tours of the orchard and learn about the history of apple cultivation in the area, as well as taste and purchase the different varieties of apples. Another popular site in Österlen is the Ales Standing Stones, an impressive ancient monument consisting of 59 large stones arranged in the shape of a ship. The exact purpose of the stones is not known, but it is believed to have been used for religious or ceremonial purposes. The picturesque fishing village of cuisine is also worth a visit. It has a charming old town center with colorful houses, a picturesque harbor, and a lighthouse. Visitors can also take a walk to the nearby Cuisine cliffs, which offer beautiful views of the sea and the surrounding countryside. When it comes to food, Ystad and Österlen are known for their delicious seafood, as well as their local produce such as apples, berries, and cheese. Some popular local dishes to try include smoked fish, fried herring, and traditional Swedish meatballs. Many of the restaurants in the area feature local and seasonal ingredients and are often farm to table. Overall, Ystad and Österlen are charming destinations that offer a mix of history, culture, and natural beauty. Visitors will enjoy exploring the towns and the surrounding area, and can look forward to trying delicious local food and experiencing Sweden's unique culture. It's a great destination for those looking for a quiet, relaxing, and authentic experience of Sweden. Subscribing to a YouTube channel and liking a video is a great way to support your favorite creators and discover new content that you'll enjoy. Subscribing ensures you never miss a new video, and liking helps the algorithm recommend similar content. Additionally, it shows your support for the creator and helps them grow their audience. It's a simple way to make a big impact on the creators you love and access great content.